Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to wire up mini bike headlights. In my case, it's for mini bikes. It could be for whatever you want, but in my case, it's for mini bikes. So I'm showing you guys the tools, or not the tools, but the parts you're going to need to make this little thingy, this little contraption, or whatever you call it. So right now I'm cutting the wires for I could expose some wire to hook up the little crimps, or the little crimps. So let's see, when am I gonna start doing? Alright, so you get these little crimps here, or these little, I don't know what they're called honestly, but I think they're called that. So you get that red wire, cut that, and then you're gonna wanna like roll it up, kind of trimming it because there's a little too much. Same thing with that black negative wire, or ground wire. So right here I'm gonna be hooking up the red wire with the red wire. So that's all 12-volt power. Now right now I'm hooking up all the red wires to one, I guess, roll, or one whole thing, if I could just use one little crimp. Now I'm putting the crimp on, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze that together. It's my cat, Kitty, that's her name. I just had to let you guys know that. What the hell? So I'm heat shrinking it. I'm heating it up, the heat shrink, to make it all clean. Now I'm hooking up the negatives, or the grounds, with the grounds, to one whole cable, I guess, or one whole wire. Now I'm squeezing that together, or crimping that together. I think that's what crimp means. I'm over here calling these little ass blue things crimps. They might be. I might just be stupid, and I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But anyways, so those grounds, now I'm getting the ground wire for that actually hooks up to the battery. Oh no, my bad. That's the ground that hooks up to the switch. My bad. And then right now I'm making the connector that actually hooks up to the negative side of the battery. So there's that negative cable, or ground cable, and then the positive you hook it up, or the 12 volt, the red wire, you hook it up to the middle. And before you guys go hooking up every single connector to the actual switch, you have to know what how do I say this, what pin actually does what when you turn the switch on. So in my case, the left part of the switch is the ground wires, every ground wire. The middle part of the switch is the 12 volt source from the battery, and the 12 volt wires from the actual LED lights. And then the right pin, the right side of the switch, is the actual 12 volt from the actual battery. So before you go hooking up everything, just make sure you know what pins are what, because they're all different. So right now I think I'm hooking up that's the 12 volt power source from the actual battery. You can see the left side is ground, so all the grounds. So now here it is all hooked up. There's the battery, it's a little 12 volt battery. And then, so you can see right here that all the grounds are on the left. The middle is the power from the actual LED lights, and then the right pin is the battery 12 volt. There you go. And you can see right here, they're brighter than what they were in the video at the end of this video. So just obviously, if your battery is low or the lights aren't bright, then that most likely means you need to charge your battery. Or it could be the lights. I don't know. Here's the video of me riding the bike with the lights on.
Look at the light.
So yeah, that's basically how you make mini bike lights. Or you could just go to Harbor Freight and get you a little square light. I mean, that works too. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video, I guess.